Welcome everybody to the channel. I am your host, Dr. Linda Likely, and today we'll be talking about tax credit and deduction. How to get tax credit and deduction during tax season 2023, because we know the new tax season is coming up. And I am the owner of By Grace Tax Services LLC. I have an MBA. I am a ERO, meaning I can e-file tax returns, and I am a certified tax preparer for those who do not know me. And our team is here to help you develop successful strategies today to help you with a financially secure tomorrow. Okay, we're going to be talking about tax credit and deductions, preparing you for tax season 23, okay? It's so important that you be preparing for tax season, you guys, before it gets here, okay? Getting everything you need already, receipts and bank statements, everything you need to be preparing, even though it's not the end of the year, just kind of making sure you got everything and making sure that driver's license is updated, that you have social security cards, that you have your dependent social security cards, and everything ready for tax season. Now, I hope that you can hear me on this video. If you can't, make sure you comment and let me know, okay? For those of you who have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also go ahead and click that notification bell so that you'll know when I upload videos and also when I go live, okay, you guys? You want to make sure that you have all of that. All right, and I hope you can hear me clearly on your end. Okay, we're going to get started, you guys, with get the tax credit and deduction during tax season 2023. Also, you guys, I'm going to share my link. You can click down in the link in this video and learn more about me and learn more about By Grace Tax Services LLC. You also should see the link to the portal for tax preparation and all the services that I offer. Okay, you guys, so make sure you click the link in the description of this video. This is the portal link. All of the links that I shared again is down in this video. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on my screen and we're gonna get started talking about how to get the tax credit and deduction during tax season. Okay, all right, sharing my slides, you guys. So let me move on. First of all, you want to be able to get the tax deductions and the credits. um Make sure that you choose your tax preparer wisely. Again, okay, choose your tax preparer wisely. Even if it's not me, if you decide to go with me, cool, but if you don't, you go with somebody else. Choose them wisely, okay, that they're updated with the new tax season, because they update us, the tax preparer, every year. And make sure you sign your top tax documents and you receive copies, okay? So many people have problems with that. All right, when you go to irs.gov, I'm gonna share with you. You go to irs.gov, you can find a lot about tax preparation. Okay, they tell you everything that you need on there. So when you go to irs.gov, it's the official site of the United States government. When you go there, you should see a tab that says credit and deductions. I got it already highlighted on the screen for you guys. Okay, you see that. So when you get there, you go to credit and deductions, you'll be able to see the standard deductions and all of that. And then the different earned income credit, advanced child tax credit, standard deductions, health care coverage, and everything you need is on here, okay, you guys, for the deduction. Even if you have a business, it has that as well, so you can get to it. So irs.gov has a lot of helpful information for those who don't know. Okay, moving on. All right, you guys, how credits and deductions work. So many people don't know. That's why it's important to make sure that you have the right tax preparer. You guys, it's gonna help you save on your taxes and help you. Okay, get the credits. Take advantage of the credits and the deduction. Deduction will reduce the amount of your income before you calculate. Okay. Credits is the amount of taxes you owe or increase your tax refund. Okay, Certain credits may give you a refund if you don't owe any taxes. And we know some of the most popular tax credit are child tax credit, child independent care tax credit, American Opportunity Credit, lifetime learning credit, student loan interest deduction, adoption credit, earned income tax credit, charitable donations deductions, mortgage interest deduction, IRA contribution deduction, and 401k deduction. Now, that's not all that I just said, but that's just some of it. Okay, for the credits that I'm going over, and then I go over the deduction. Okay. So how do you qualify? Make sure that you have everything that you need regarding some of the things I just shared, whether it's child tax credit and you have children based on your filing status, whatever you file um, on your tax return, and the amount of income based on the amount of income, and if you have dependents, which are children, okay? So you have credits for family and dependent credits, which you see on the slide, income and savings credit, homeowner credits, electric vehicle credits, and health care credits, and education credits, which I was just talking about some of the American Opportunity Credit and lifetime learning credit for the education credit and the student loan interest. That's a deduction, but I was just bringing some up with the credits and the deduction, you guys. So let me give me a chance. I'm gonna exit the full screen so I can go back and share more of my slides. But you want to make sure that you take advantage of the credits and the deductions. That's why it's important for you to have a tax preparer. You can prepare your taxes on your own, but having a tax preparer that understands the new tax laws and they're updated with everything that you need, they will help you take advantage of your credits and deductions. Okay, you guys. So let me move on to the next slide in this video. Okay, credit for individuals. And I'm gonna have to make sure that I increase the screen, you guys, so I can see on my end. So this is just some of them again that I'm sharing that make sure the savings credit, retirement savings, contributions credit, foreign tax credit, excess Social Security and RRTA tax withheld, credit for tax on undistributed cash capital gains, credit for prior year minimum tax. Do I qualify for the retirement savings contributions credit? Am I eligible to claim the foreign tax credit? Okay, IRS.gov has great information. Again, when you go to the credit deduction, it has all of this, and I'm showing on my screen with you guys. So if you click on the blue, which I just have this screenshot on here, but when you click on the blue, it will open up things for you to be able to see. And I wanted you to see the income and savings credit. Now, if you click on the child dependent credits, the homeowner credits, the electric vehicle credits, healthcare credits, the plus and the minus, you will see more. You see healthcare credits is the premium tax credit down at the bottom, okay? So check out all of those and see by reading on IRS.gov, am I eligible? And then make sure if you are, that you have the information and give it to your tax preparer so you can take advantage of the credit and also the deductions, okay? You guys, now I'm finna move on to the deductions, okay? A standard deduction. Again, amount you qualify with the credits and also the deduction, it depends on your filing status and how much income that you're making. Okay, standard deduction, less sum of itemized deduction. Um, so many want to see if they can save money. So itemized lets you cut taxable income by taking any of available deductions you qualify for. Um, Again, amount you qualify depends on your filing status. And the standard deduction has gone up in the years, okay, that you used it. See, standard is less than the sum of itemized deduction, and that can save money. If your standard is more than itemized, you may take the standard deduction. And we can also, as tax preparers with our tax software, that we can run to see a lower tax bill that will help you save or gain more on your tax return. Okay, you guys. So I'm moving on again to slide 5, which is the deductions. Okay, giving you a view. The deductions for individuals, work-related deduction, itemized, what I was just talking about, education deduction, healthcare deductions, investment-related deduction. Also, you see business credit and deductions. All of these are found on our IRS.gov to help you. So make sure you go there, you guys, the official site. Make sure it's the official site and not a fake site. Okay, you guys, so you want to make sure that so many scams and fraud going on and fake sites are created. So you have to be careful where do you go, even on the internet. Okay, you guys? Okay. Now you see the itemized deduction. Again, standard is less than the sum of itemized deduction. Helps you save money. If the standard is more than itemized, you may want to take the standard deduction, okay? And if you itemize lets you cut your taxable income by taking any of the available deductions that you can qualify for. Okay, you have to qualify for them. So we see itemized deduction, standard deduction, itemized deduction. It explains that on IRS.gov, deductible non-business taxes, personal property tax, real estate tax, sale tax, charitable contribution, gambling laws, miscellaneous expenses, interest expense, home mortgage, interest, moving expenses. Now you see all the deductions I have. I'm just going over itemized, but you see the little plus sign, and when you hit it, then it goes to the negative, which you can see the drop down list of everything, the deduction that you may qualify for. You also see the education deductions and the other healthcare deductions also on the screen. I'm not sure. Let me move my link, you guys, at the bottom so you can see. Let me see if I got one more down there. It's another. Try to hide that. Okay, investment related deductions. You also see that. Just scroll on IRS.gov, you guys, and you should see a list of the credits and deductions that they have available for you guys that you may qualify for. Okay, if you're interested in tax preparation during tax season, again, I am the owner of By Grace Tax Services LLC. You see what it looks like, the portal that I have on the screen. When you click on this link, you should be able to see the screen that you see, the cell phone and a tablet or your desktop. That's what it's going to look like when you click on this link and go there. You just go to the portal, you scroll down, see everything that's available, and also to schedule an appointment, to contact me as well on there, and scheduled tax preparation services, or again all the other services, which I have other ones on the site, which you see the list that I have on the screen on this slide. Small business startup as well. Also, the link will go on there if you are interested in starting a small business. Go to shinelights-teachable.com. It's down in the link in this video. Once again, make sure that you click the link in this video, and you read all the information that below this video, and you'll learn more about By Grace and more about me and how to follow me on the different social media sites. Um, Again, make sure you guys that you are preparing for tax season. It is not the end of the year yet, but you should be gathering documents and getting ready for tax season, making sure you have all your information and everything is updated so you can take advantage of every opportunities you can get with it, the credits, and definitely again the deductions. Okay, you guys. I hope this video has been helping you. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, y'all have a great day.